aiDispatchSys copyright. Best software solutions dedicated to the taxi cab transportation companies. Dispatch desktop alternatives with over 30 years of experience dispatching and software development since 1994, providing the best solutions to the private for-hire transportation industry line. Our dispatch system will work according to the default parameters included and provided by aiDispatchSys. Dispatching manually. Power to the dispatcher and operator. The system provides to the dispatcher and operator in the office with total freedom when choosing the next driver who is about to perform the next service. The system will easily display a list of available drivers showing the arrival time and distance of each driver, as well as showing the time and date of the last job of each driver correspondingly, also positive and negative status, providing to the dispatcher or operator in the office with a better criteria to choose that driver for that waiting service. Auto dispatch. Every service entered and saved into the system will be dispatched automatically without the intervention of the dispatcher or operators. The routine parameters are as follows. Option and Mode 1. The system can offer to the next driver directly. Option and Mode 2. The system will show a list of jobs available to a driver's app screen and drivers can participate in the sorting of every job available by clicking on the service or work they wish to perform. Both options will go by the following rules. Within 5 minutes the system will offer and select to the available driver who has not performed any service for a long time. If there is no driver within this 5 minutes, the system will select and offer the job or service to the closest available driver to the site where the service must be performed. Driver's app. To each driver, the system will display the kind of service offered at the moment, as well as for quick ride and personal request as well as delivery service, and moving services. Depending on each service, it will show the necessary and required information to perform each job. Each service is different. For example, if it is roadside assistance, the system will show the name of that service and the location of the person and details required to be able to be performed. Myself as an experienced dispatcher and agreed with many other dispatchers, we need to see the data in minutes, status and distances from each driver when is needed, to have all the info needed in front of us. The system is based on the first software created privately for this line of industry. Everybody will see how familiar the look and easy way to work with it in the comfort of knowing it is a solid system. The goal of this project is to provide a good system for the dispatchers, decreasing the need to be opening maps to locate drivers and avoid the need of switching tabs or pages in order to search for any kind of information needed. There are many features to be added into the system. It will include push-to-talk to faster communication between drivers and dispatchers, virtual voice call to notify passengers when drivers are on site waiting for them, caller ID history to view any missing incoming phone calls, customized reports feature available to be changed the layout at any time for administrators and don't need to wait for technical support to make changes. The desktop system also include live incident alerts and cams. This feature available for New York and New Jersey only. Waiting list for reporting drivers. Auto pop-up reservations into the active job screen. Closed job and history easy to reach without wasting time in changing screen or closing and restarting the system. Fare calculation easily to use at the entry a new service request into the system. At the same time when the dispatcher is typing the pickup address, it will populate with drivers available and displaying their correspondingly distance and data to avoid the hold-in-line process which many companies' operators have to go through in order to tell their passengers the estimate time for a vehicle to arrive to their site.